Hi class, welcome to C++ Spring 2024. I have a brand new Canvas classroom set up for you. This is the first semester that we are going with zero cost textbooks. So our textbook is open educational resources. This is our textbook. You don't have to pay anything for that, which is nice. Cengage textbook and MindTap was over $100 last few semesters. So I hope that you enjoy that. I have a lot of YouTube videos that I've curated, that means found, and that I find useful. I also give you, like this, a video that I produce for you as well. So lots of videos in the class, lots of code examples, not only in the textbook, but in other references. I'm also experimenting with an AI augmented study bot this semester as well. So what I need you to do for the first week is to make sure that you post to the class introductions discussion so that I don't drop you. Please do that by Friday. Also 5.5, if you set up a compiler and IDE, tell me what you chose. I have a lot of videos here on VS Code. Try setting up VS Code, but if it is too much trouble, just go to CodeBlocks. CodeBlocks is much older, but it is a lot easier to set up than VS Code. I was having the sphere environment variable, and I have no idea what was this. I'm in my office here, office computer. This computer doesn't belong to me. Tech Services is constantly installing things to make my computer more secure. And anyway, Visual VS Code was just not working for me, so I set up CodeBlocks. Here's the program I wrote in CodeBlocks. I set up a project, and I pointed the project to this location on my machine. You can see here, this is the source code for my, see, now it's opening up. Now this is Visual Studio, not VS Code. But anyway, it has a association with that I need to break. What I was going to demo was I have GitHub Classroom set up for you. So click on GitHub Classroom and find your name. Here's my name right here. And you accept the assignment. Once you do that, reload the page, and then you will have a remote repository. So for all the work that we do in the first module, whatever you do, I need you to post that code here. How do you do that? Click on Add File, Upload Files, choose your files. Mine were, now I have to go back to where I was before. No big deal. C++, first day program, Hello World 02. Okay, so main.cpp. the .cpp, that is called source code. That's what I want you to upload there. Upload it, commit changes. You get a green square from GitHub for doing that. All right, and this is how I keep track of your code. This is how I give you points for doing work in this class. So there are usually just one GitHub Classroom assignment, which translates to a remote repository for you in each module. So whatever code you you create in that module, post that to the GitHub Classroom for that module. Sometimes I'll have like a flash extra credit, and it'll be a separate GitHub Classroom, but you know, you'll know that it's not the main GitHub Classroom assignment and remote repository for the module. All right, so that's about it. I'm going to end this welcome video. Welcome to C++ programming. Like I say, the most important thing you do is to do class intros by Friday. And if you have questions, you can send me a question in this inbox here. Don't send me a question in using my email, because it will be lost. But see, I already have a few students asking me questions. Semester hasn't officially started yet, so anyway, this is the best way to get a hold of me. All right, I'm going to end this video. Again, welcome, and I'll see you hopefully in office hours. Maybe at the beginning of next week I'll have an open office hour.